Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money from Pinterest using an app. Now let's get started. First, let's understand one thing. Pinterest is not a get-rich-quick app. It's a platform where you can share images called pins and you can earn money by sending people to product links or your content. First, open Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on your settings, switch to a business account. A business account lets you see analytics and grow faster on Pinterest. Pick one topic you will post about, such as fashion, beauty, fitness, or online business. Sticking to one niche help you grow faster. Use free apps like Canva on your iPhone. Create a vertical image with bright colors, big clear text, and simple design. These images are your pins. Here are the main ways to earn affiliate marketing. Join affiliate program, copy your affiliate link, and add the link to your pin. It will help to earn more money when someone buys it. Try to post 1 to 3 pins every day. Pinterest rewards consistent creators even if you start small. And that's it. This is the simple and real way to make money from Pinterest using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.